on?
It's on, red light's on. And starting the timer. Oops, I'm off. Wow, this is a narrow line.
It's very narrow, and we're gonna have to, honestly,
Like, fast.
dude, this might be better.
No, not on a short line.
Not on a short line.
It's squeezed out so easy.
Yeah.
That's priority. This would be
But
opposite.
just like get in behind everybody. I guess we were wanting to go.
Yeah, no, I definitely want to prep for starboard if we can.
Okay.
Let's prepare for a jive here.
Side?
Done? Done.
Jiving. Jive hope.
Time? 2:20.
Fall off here. We're in jive. Oh, no. Actually, they're going. Jive now. Let's just jive. Jive hope.
2 minutes exact.
Okay, I'm just going to go up to the buoy and then turn around. We're not going to run the full line. So,
You want to
might cross the line.
hard in or you want to move down?
Just keep our speed for now. This is not our approach. Time?
Minute 40.
Roger. Yeah, I'm going to cross the start here. Tack around the mark. You ready for track?
Ready?
Ready? Coming up. 7:33. Time?
120.
Roger.
Look at that. Attack for 6. My house is 5 up pretty nice. Where's 7?
No.
Where's 7?
Ready, good.
5, 4, 3, 2.
That was
Alright,
there?
that's 1 minute.
You ready to jive?
Yep.
Jive hoop.
We need to
Ease. Put on the brakes.
stay all the way out.
Time?
40, 41, 40.
Might be okay here.
30.
Yeah. They don't have much on us here. They don't have much speed on us.
Yeah. Start turning in.
15.
Speed.
Here we go, here we go.
Coming in.
Nice, Mark.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready to tack?
Ready.
Second. Oh, do we want to go?
Woo.
Alright, so then keep going. Here's some wind. Yeah, I see it.
Two
Try and feather it.
bands and win.
Ooh, that was a good start, bro.
That felt pretty good for the first one, boys.
Yep.
Yeah, that was, we got a little bit blessed that they didn't get any big ones back there, but we
Yeah.
made it work.
Yeah.
Alright, I got
Hey.
you in 2 boats.
If they would have crossed, we had a cross their race course. Is that what we're doing here?
Oh, kind of, yeah.
Feathering. Keep it on, Scott. Keep it on.
Okay.
I'm a little confused as to our course. We have to go through there. or what?
They're actively sailing. We need to either go around or, so we need to stay in our course.
Let's just see what develops.
There's,
Don't panic.
I'm just gonna hold our line for now.
this is their upper buoy, their lower buoy's there. So if we come up above them, we should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we got this one boat that's kind of limping forward. We might have to look out for that one, but the other one should be out of our way.
Yeah, it's going east right now. Falling off a little bit, but keep temper close on.
See that big wave behind the buoy there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thundering.
Nice.
Nice zip.
Alright.
Yeah. Love to see it.
Headed.
Headed super heavy.
Good call.
Should have done it sooner, but that was a pretty big shift. Good reaction.
Again?
Tacking back again. Nope.
Don't love that part.
No, it's not great.
Like your thing too.
Okay.
Much as I'm gonna give you there.
Keep it close haul.
I am, but low wind, if it's a little further out, we get.
Just keep your eye on it.
Yep. Here we go, picking up.
There we go, back there. Okay, no worries.
Yep.
Yeah, you're feeling the header.
Yeah. Go back north again. Pretty much everybody else is on our same course. You know?
Yeah.
See this dinghy in front of us?
I see it.
Yeah. Pretty good. Battery. Yeah, here we go. Good read, good read. It's going to be interesting running the mark here.
Yes, yeah, we are going to need a pretty big tack. So there's a lot of headers.
Of course, we're talking about we're going to be cutting right through this one at that point.
Oh, coming back, yeah. Maybe they'll be out. They might already be through it by the time we get around.
Wind in like 3 boats here.
Yeah.
4 off to the port side. I think that could be a lift. Take that direction, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Mostly just feathering it. It's kind of the same direction. George.
Yeah.
Gonna give us a run for our money. Other boats went in already. They made their attack.
Yeah.
I kind of think we should just attack on the mark.
I'm with you, 100. I think they're gonna put themselves in a world of hurt once they're stoked, so I think we're right about where
Yeah,
we
I
need to
saw
be.
the window to get through. They might be stalling, possibly, by doing it that way.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, here's your lift. Here's your no big reading.
yeah.
No, tiny bump, yeah, there you go. Come for some nice lift.
Ski lift.
That'd be great. Although don't get so breathing when you eat it.
Right.
It's a good lift here. Good 10 degrees, 15 degrees, something like that.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that makes it a header on our next tack, so kind of
Yeah.
want to go back east soon. so we
Noted,
can
noted, noted.
hit our
But,
tack.
No, that is what it's been doing. So.
Yeah. Get close to the leg. Get ready.
Okay. Ready when?
Might have to be done in 2, but I'm going to risk it. Tacking 3, 2, 1. Don't want to be too conservative. We're racing, remember. It's our race to lose, so
this point. We're going to be close, but I think you're right.
Well, I think I'm reading this with the lift here. So, hopefully.
Yeah, going more east, you think?
So, hopefully.
Still right here.
Yep.
I don't see any of us. There's a little bit out there.
Look at what George has
57's
out there.
got wind.
That's fucking
6 got
wild. That's like 30 degrees out.
We are in a hole right now.
Yep. We're behind some high rise or something.
Oh, here we go. The
Yep.
wind just shifted east. Here we go. We're like close to beam here.
Believe me.
Yeah. I'm gonna come up a little bit, just put it in the bank, but yeah. Gonna try and hit that mark before 7. They're coming in hot though.
We are starboard.
Yeah.
And they're not gonna have overlap.
Nope. Feeling good about it. All right, so on the fall off, we didn't discuss strategy because we kind of wanted to see how the wind goes,
I'm
but
gonna take bang off.
I'm just gonna sail to power.
We'll take bang off immediately though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not all the way off, but like loose.
Yeah. Sure. I got us a cold here.
We're getting headed. Shoot.
Okay. Mike
A
is
little
with
more
us.
east here.
Mike's with us. He's gonna share our fake here.
Okay, we've got more time to correct it. Trying to get speed and then duck it.
Yeah.
Pray for a lift. We're not gonna hit it.
Yep.
Yep.
Hurry.
Okay.
You ready to attack?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. It's gonna be a quick one.
Oh man.
Did we?
Okay. Yep.
I need momentum here.
It's okay. You're gonna get it. I mean, like you could make it around almost right now. You can make it around.
I know we got just a little bit of momentum here. Missed it by that much. All right, falling off. Push it out.
There's no way.
Mustang, low side, try to get some.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, good call. Left side is good help. Where is start line? Finish line.
About 11 o'clock.
I see it. Okay.
You want me to go wing on wing this? Or?
Let's see. Yep. Real light. Too far. Yeah. See if you can get that over.
Okay, I'm gonna go up.
Yep.
Move forward.
Yeah, I think the slot's right where we want it to be.
Okay.
For
Yeah.
now.
Pretty good.
Can you push the main out more? There we go.
Yep.
There we go. That's it.
Very good. Love it. River BMG.
Yep. Well, right now it happens to line up with our course.
I would still keep the BMG in these conditions though.
Yeah.
Oh, are we getting shifted?
Yep, we're getting a little north,
Yep.
which is fine because that puts us on the outside buoy there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep wing on wing course and try and get us to the line that way. There we go. Take a speed.
Is that, no, that's not even our buoy. I'm seeing.
It's okay. It's okay. BMG here.
Yep, I'm with you.
That's not ours?
Nope, that's
ours.
oh,
Part of
further
the
out.
back.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. Mike's going that way.
Your point is almost perfect. That's a sea committee boat. And all he's doing is putting distance in between himself and the line right now.
I think we got the better line, right?
Yep. So as long as he doesn't outspeed us in that last portion, which he might, a little windier on that end. But I think we're doing the best we can right now.
It'd be really great if we get a north shift that we can get on the right tack here and then
Right.
ride it in.
Oh, there's a buoy right there, eh?
Yep. Not our buoy, but don't touch the buoy.
Yeah.
Is committee boat to the left or to the right of the finish line?
They usually sit to the left.
Right.
So I'm gonna
So
assume
you
that's
want
where
to
they're
come up a
sitting.
little bit if you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
They are. Thought I glimpsed the buoy. They might be to the inside of that. But
Don't blind yourself.
yeah.
Feel a little shift up here.
Which way?
North shift.
Okay.
Let's go.
I got it.
Yeah, I'd rather keep the course here. Watch it, Mike. If it goes north, that might go beam. You're ready to trim in. Just keep an eye on it.
It's a little beamy right
All
now.
right, let's see if pulling in gets us some more speed.
It's just squirrely, but yeah.
And it's going behind us again. Is the arc saying?
Behind
We're
us.
saying
again.
each game. I might go up there and grab it again.
I think I see one of the marks. Can't tell which one it is. I think it's the right mark.
Yeah, they're on the left mark.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go.
Yeah, grab it. There we go. There we go. Yeah. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see.
Coming back.
Okay. No. Call. I'll bring it in, Scott.
Got it. I've got it, Brandon.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Watch that yarn. Might go behind again. Got good position. Yep. Finish strong. Get that first bullet.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, boys. That's not even close.
Chee! Alright.
Good job, boys.
First race of the season.
One race, one bullet. Let's
All
do
right,
it.
let's pack it in.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yep. Like, it's all based on
let's go join
averages,
race
right?
committee.
So
All right,
you
trim
just,
sails, trim sails.
Yep.
I'm gonna fall off here. Watch for jibe.
Oh, we're gonna re-jump the main because I did take a walk.
Okay.